Hello student, myself Prakash Ingre and today we are going to learn about the topic kingdom planting and subtopic is Bryophyta. Bryophyta means moss plant or non-vascular plant that cannot extensively transport water, sugar and minerals. Some have cuticles, some absorb water directly through the leaf surface. Most require most environmental to reproduce. Bryophytes are mostly terrestrial plant. They are found in most shady places, but they need water for fertilization and competition of their life cycle. And hence they are called as amphibious plant. They include approximately 960 genera and about 25,000 species. Bryophytes have root-like structure called rhizoids. Rhizoids are unicellular in liverworts while multicellular in mosses. Rhizoids absorb water and minerals and help to fixation of thallus of substratum. Bryophyta are divided into two groups, that is liverwort and mosses. Liverworts generally, these are the lower member of bryophytes. They are primitive group of bryophytes. Gametophyte possess flat plant body called thallus. The thallus is green, dorsiventral prostate with unicellular rhizoids. Typically small, ranging from 2 to 20 mm wide with the individual plants, less than 10 cm long. Hornworts or anthocerates, this member possess the flattened thallus. The thallus produce horny structure which are called as sporophytes, hence the name hornworts, that is Anthocerus. Hornworts is a unique sporophyte, grow continually from meristem at the base. Sporophyte consists of foot, upright sporangia or capsule. The next one is a mosses, or these are advanced member of bryophytes or common bryophytes are mosses which are members of the phylum Bryophyta. Mosses grow most abundantly in an area with water, swamps and bogs near streams in a rainforest. These are the advanced bryophytes, members of bryophyte which possess erect plant body. Gametophyte phase of life cycle includes two stages, namely protonema stage and leafy stage. The protonema is a prostate green, branch and filamentous. It bears many buds. Leafy stage is a produce from each bud. Thus protonema help in the vegetative propagation. The leafy stage have erect, slender, stem-like main axis bearing spiral leaf-like structure. It is fixed in a soil by multicellular branch rhizoids. This stage bears sex organs. Vegetative reproduction takes place by fragmentation and budding in secondary proteinema. And the examples are Funaria, Polytrichum, and Phagnum. Mosses, the economical value or some economical importance, some mosses provide food for herbivorous mammals. The Phagnum provide peat used as a fuel, and Sphagnum superior water holding capacity, used as a wound dressing during World War. Acidic sterile tissue act as an antiseptic and absorbent. Peat. The peat can be cut in blocks, dried and burned as a fuel for cooking and heating. Just like lichens, mosses are the first living beings to grow on rocks. They compose rocks to form and makes them suitable for growth of higher plant. A dense layer of mosses help in the prevention of soil erosion. Thus, the act of soil binders. It is also called as soil binders. Here we recall all the plant. In first of all, we see the bryophytes and again divide the two types or two groups, that is liverworts and mosses. Liverworts, the lower member of bryophytes, these are primitive group of bryophytes. Gametophyte possess flat plant body called thallus. Thallus is green dorsiventral patterns, and the hornworts, this member possess pattern of thallus. This thallus produce horny structures which are called sporophytes, hence the name hornworts. And the example is Anthocerus. And the second one example we see the mosses. Mosses are advanced member of bryophytes which are possess erect plant body. And the examples are Funaria, Polytrichum, and Phagnum. Economic importance are some mosses provide fruit for herbivorous plants, birds, etc. Species of Phagnum provide peat used as a fuel. And some other economic importance are dense layers of mosses help in the prevention of soil erosion. Thus, they act as a soil binders. Thank you. Here we see all the bryophytes, mosses, and liverworts description and its economical importance. Thank you.